The Amazon, considered the biggest tropical forest in the world, spans over 5 million square kilometers. It's famous for hosting a massive variety of animals, from the harmless to the most lethal. So in this video, let's get to know the most frightening animals ever found in the Amazon. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and hit the bell for more curiosity videos. The giant otter. Picture this, a colossal monster, terrifying even the top predators in the wildlands of the Amazon River. We're talking about the giant otter, the world's largest otter, reaching up to 1.7 meters. These otters aren't just skilled hunters, they are known as elite predators. Few have the courage to stare into their bloodshot eyes. Despite often hunting alone, they sometimes form groups, with up to 20 individuals, to protect their territory. Don't be fooled by their cute appearance. These animals top the food chain with a powerful bite of 615 psi, a measure used to calculate bite force. To put it into perspective, a dog's bite is only 20 psi. What's more concerning is that they can even attack humans. The black caiman, also known as the black alligator. Now, let's explore the territory of the black caiman, a true beast that rules the Amazon rainforest with an iron grip. Growing up to 4.5 meters in length, and weighing over 300 kilograms, even big cats like jaguars and pumas avoid their territory, acknowledging the black caiman's absolute dominance. These caimans are known for their resilience and ferocity. With a fearless instinct absent in other animals, black caimans attack any prey, regardless of size. Statistics show over 80 attacks by these animals in the last 20 years, with most being fatal. Escaping unscathed is rare. Many suffer severe injuries, losing limbs and carrying terrifying stories. Despite their fearsome appearance, black caimans don't target humans out of hunger, preferring meals ranging from cattle and horses to monkeys, pythons, and even dolphins. Young caimans bravely challenge dangerous piranhas, establishing a pattern of bravery within their species. With nocturnal hunting skills, specialized vision, and a powerful bite capable of breaking turtle shells, they are truly the terror of the Amazon River. Red-bellied piranha. In the waters of the Amazon River, a creature has gained notoriety for its fierce behavior and insatiable appetite, the red-bellied piranha. These fish, far from being friendly, are feared by all sharing the river with them. Contrary to popular belief, red-bellied piranhas don't limit themselves to feasting on red meat. Their diet includes a surprising variety of foods, from insects, fish, and snails to worms and seeds. They even act as scavengers, feeding on mammals and birds that fall into the water after death. Despite their reputation as bloodthirsty beasts, piranhas adopt self-defense strategies. Contrary to the idea of solitary animals, they tend to travel in large groups, not only as a hunting strategy, but also as an effective form of protection. In groups, piranhas keep the most vulnerable in the center, maximizing their chances of survival. Despite their ferocity, red-bellied piranhas are not immune to threats. Larger animals don't hesitate to attack young piranhas, considering them easy prey and creating a balance in the complex food web of the Amazon River. However, the resilience of these creatures goes beyond their ability to form groups and defend against predators. Their impressive jaws, capable of piercing a fishing hook, demonstrate their formidable strength. Despite their replaceable teeth, piranhas don't hesitate to shed them when needed, highlighting their incredible adaptation to the aquatic environment. Thus, the red-bellied piranha, far from being just a symbol of terror, proves to be a fascinating creature, adapted to a variety of foods and survival strategies. As they continue to haunt the waters of the Amazon River, their true nature goes beyond appearances, challenging stereotypes and the complexities of the aquatic realm. Amazon giant leech. The gigantic leech of the Amazon River also hosts the world's largest leech, reaching up to 30 centimeters in length. These creatures display an irregular color palette, with adults taking on a grayish-brown hue. The terrifying giant leech of the Amazon is a true nature's aberration, with 30 segments, each containing its own brain. Yes, that's right. Each giant leech has 30 brains, which is undoubtedly quite scary. They are located at the wider end, while the head can be found at the narrower tip. The undulating muscles of the giant leech move in waves as they feed, aiding in transporting the absorbed blood to the digestive system located in the head. Typically, these leeches have 2 or 3 rows of small teeth to suck the blood from their victims. Despite being known as real-life vampires, Amazon river leeches also feed on mollusks, insects, larvae, fish eggs, and other worms. About 25% of leech species are predators, honing their ambush skills throughout evolution, feeding on any suitable prey swimming nearby. When a giant leech detects a moving object, it swims toward it, using its suckers to latch onto the host, making a Y-shaped hole and injecting an anticoagulant into the incision. Though smaller compared to other monsters in the region, giant leeches pose a huge threat to many aquatic animals, especially in the Amazon. Electric eels. When they locate prey, the shock they emit is powerful and stunning, turning the capture into an electrifying spectacle. Interestingly, despite their name, these creatures aren't true eels. They are more akin to catfish and carp, adding an extra layer of fascination to their unique behavior. Fishermen in the Amazon tell incredible stories of catching these beings in their nets, but the peculiarity lies in the fact that the eel's shock often eliminates all other fish in the net. The electric eel has specialized organs that orchestrate its electricity. The main organs act as the primary voltage producers, protecting the eel and stunning its prey. At the same time, the sax organ emits lower voltage pulses, contributing to electrocommunication and navigation. Electric eels are capable of generating a deadly voltage, solidifying their position in the dangerous Amazon River. Bull sharks. So this river, known for its vastness and diversity, is home to a rad species of shark called bull sharks. While most sharks prefer the wide-open oceans, bull sharks are like the rebels of the shark world, standing out for their incredible ability to adapt to fresh water. Only one of 2 species that can pull off that stunt. These bad boys owe their freshwater survival skills to their special kidneys. These kidneys are like the superheroes of the shark world, sensing changes in water, salinity, and recycling vital salts throughout their bodies, making them the ultimate freshwater champs. But hold up. Their adaptability isn't just about the environment. Their menu is legit wild. From fish and birds to turtles, lazy animals, and even other bull sharks, these beasts are basically the garbage disposals of the river. They eat everything in sight, and this voracious appetite, combined with their unique freshwater survival skills, puts bull sharks at the top of the food chain. Beware though, these sharks are no joke for humans. Stats show they're the 3rd most likely to throw unprovoked attacks our way, making them the OG predators compared to other shark squads. Sawfish. Just the sight of a sawfish strikes fear into its aquatic neighbors. Why? Blame it on the long, sharp snout with special teeth, giving it that menacing look. This snout, aka rostrum, acts like a killer tool, moving back and forth to slice its prey in half during a slick attack. Plus, the saw is equipped with electroreceptors, fancy sensors that can detect the electric fields produced by its prey. So, the sawfish can spot a tasty treat before going all out. But this saw isn't just for hunting. It helps the sawfish dig into the sediments at the bottom of the Amazon River. With big teeth, this predator can grow up to a terrifying 5 meters on average, and legend has it they can even hit 7 meters on a grand occasion, stealing the spotlight. Their diet? Mostly fish and crustaceans. Typical river gourmet. Here's a cool fact. Like many toothy fish, a sawfish can actually replace its teeth when they get worn out. It's like dental magic, known as polyphyodonty. While they're not usually considered dangerous, those saws, making up at least 1/3 of their body length, are pretty intimidating.